What's up guys, welcome back. Today we are working on the Civic as always. These PCI side skirts, if you guys can't see right here, it is a paint match taffeta white with clear on it, as you can see. PCI right there. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of hard to see because it's white. They are the 4-inch ones. I was thinking of going with the 3-inch ones, but I was like, you know what, let's go a little bit lower and go a 4-inch, so that way it fills up this gap right here. I already pre-installed these PCI brackets, so now the only thing is the simple part, which is to put on these side skirts and then also put on the bumper. Now this is a little transformation. I feel like this is going to make a big difference because before these side skirts were black and this was white over, so all the sections that you see that I masked off, they were originally white, but I painted black just to make it look more aggressive, and that's how the type bars kind of look. But other than that, that's it. We are going to get these side skirts on and this bumper on, so let's get that. Alright, so I have all the masking off, and check this out. This is how the bumper looks. As you can see, look at that. It's all blacked out now. Originally, like I said, the grill, bottom grill, and the two garnishes on the side were white, and now as you can see, it's completely blacked out. Alright, and just like that, we finally cleaned it up. Now it looks 10 times better. Alright, so I have the side skirts on just a little bit, but as you can see, or I only have them halfway, and look at this. Check that out. And I think I'm gonna leave the hardware black just to make it not clash too much white on white, and that way it could break up the white. But check that out, we got PCI in the building. But check that out, that looks so sick. Oh my god, man, oh boy, man, that looks so good. I can't wait to put the wheels on it. I've been urging and I've been needing some wheels on this thing to just set it off. Check that out, my boy. Look at that with the side skirts. We are doing a quick wash real quick.
Like, who the fuck are you talking to?
Just like that, the Civic is clean. Check that out, guys. These side skirts are finally on in the front end. It's finally blacked out. Look how sick that looks. I feel like the little difference just make it just even 10 times better. And I love how the hardware is black, so that way it breaks up the white. 98% of y'all guys are actually not subscribed, but y'all guys are watching my videos, so make sure that y'all guys subscribe because there is plenty of content for the Civic and newer content on the way. We do have a couple cars that my friend has that we are going to do some ride-alongs and drive-bys and possibly races, but we're not sure yet. But there's definitely more content on the way, so please stick with me and make sure to subscribe. And yeah, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time in the next one.